I'm Lisa, and today I want to show you how to use generative AI in Adobe Express to help students visualize their ideas. Head on over to the new Adobe Express page and click on Text to Image. Then, in the text field, describe the image that you want to create. Let me show you some student examples. Students were asked to modify an item to make it more accessible. They used text to image to create a prototype. Let's see how it went. Here's one of the prompts that a group used to modify a doorknob. I want a doorknob that has a handle, Face ID, and voice command. It wasn't quite what they wanted or expected, so they went back and revised their prompt. They added a couple more details to their prompt, and here's the result. They were much more satisfied with this result, and I like how this activity helped them realize that they need to be more specific and detailed when describing something in writing. Some students took it a step further and used generative fill to modify a portion of the image. And there you have it. Be sure to check out generative AI in Adobe Express with your students. I'd love to see what they come up with.